Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to learn how to open the YouTube studio. Every step is made simple. You just need to open the browser, then you search studio.youtube.com. After searching, you need to go to the right end and you place this arrow down on the right corner. Then you go to the YouTube studio. You need to continue to the studio. Just need to wait. You are now in the YouTube studio. You can use different features, the earning, the settings, customization, the content, analytics, and different features. All the things are made simple. You can even add the music to the videos you have uploaded by using the YouTube library. So this is the YouTube studio. You can use it for different features. Here you can use the settings to set your YouTube studio or to set your channel by adding some tags. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.